Hello YouTube, this is Sohan and welcome back to my channel Technical Spark. In this video, I am going to show you how you can perform slide to shutdown feature in Windows 10. This is very interesting. I know guys, currently 99.90% of users are shutting down their PC in traditional way, which is you are normally clicking on Windows button and there is an option which is shutdown. Or some of the people are using shortcut which is Alt F4 and this is the option you will get to shut down your PC. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the similar icon to shut down your PC with the help of slide. If you just drag this little bit, your system will get shut down automatically. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before that, one small video intro. So guys, to create this button, let's first of all delete this key. Right click and delete. To create similar key in your system on your desktop, just right click and select new and choose shortcut. New wizard will open which is create shortcut, and just copy this command from your video description and just paste it out here and click on next. You can give any name to your shortcut. In my PC, I am providing the name slide to shutdown and click on finish. Once this created, just right click on the same shortcut and go to the properties. In properties down below, just click on change icon. In your PC you will get some kind of this message. Just click on OK, and here you can choose any of the icon. There is a lots of icons available. So let's click this and click on OK. Now click on apply. OK. Your icon is got changed. Now just try to click on this button. Great. This is working successfully. Friends, let me tell you another two methods to perform the same action. Just right click on your Windows button and click on run, or you can simply press Windows plus R shortcut key and here type slide to shutdown and click on OK. See, this is working. So if you don't want this shortcut to be appeared in your desktop, you can use a run command. And third method is, if you don't want to copy the shortcut command from my video description, then just search in your PC as a slide to shutdown and you will see something like run command. Just right click on this, click on open file location. This will take you to the Windows System 32 path. In this window, right click on slide to shutdown exe and go to the send to and choose create shortcut on the desktop. The shortcut is got created. Now close this, and if you just double click on this, it will perform the same action. So you can rename this key slide shutdown. And again, if you want to change icon, again go to the property, click on change icon, click on OK, and you can choose any options available. So let me take this. OK. See, the icon is got changed. Let's double click on this. Perfect. It's working perfectly. Now let's shut down. This is how it works, guys. Friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any feedback, question, queries, please feel free to type in the comment box below, and don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.